Hello and welcome. In this video, here I am going to show you how to work with this logo slider element. Let me navigate to my Elementor editor. Just type the logo slider and drag this one inside your editor. Now you are ready to customize your images and text. First of all, let me select the image size as full because I would like to showcase my all logos in full resolution. And now we need to upload our logos and their brand names. You can delete all of this pre-built element, or you can just start with your customizing. Let me select a logo. And these all are my demo logos, and just click on insert. This is my first one, then second one. I have finished adding my total 6 logos in this library. Now from this first one, let me show you some options which is necessary for adding your logos. For example, on hover, do you like to showcase a different image of your logo, or you need to showcase some text? For example, I would like to showcase an image, and I would like to showcase this image. Make sure this is just a demo purpose. So I just selected a hover image. Now if I hover on this one, you can see a total different image. It has a different type of use case. For example, you like to showcase all logos in black and white version. So you can easily do it by adding client logo. Then it will be showcase all logos in black and white version. When someone hover on your black and white logos, it will showcase exactly that logos in color version. To achieve that purpose, you need to upload color version logo here and then black and white version logo here. That's it. Also, let me show you the text version. What if you like to showcase text instead of different logo? And let me hover and show you how exactly text looks like. Brand name 1 and shortest description. This is our logo. For example, let me type WordPress. This is WordPress, and then WordPress is a super. Okay, that's all. You can add as many content as you like, but I recommend you to keep it short so that user can easily read whatever you want. Then here is a tooltip option. If I enable tooltip and then hover, you can see this is a element tooltip on the top. You can style the tooltip and define the size. You can increase the size of your tooltip. If it has too many content, then it will increase the content size. If you have too many content in your tooltip area, then make sure to use this maximum width area. And then typography, you can change the typography of a tooltip. Then a lot of options available like padding, border radius, text alignment, box shadow. And from the setting, you can define the position. At present it's on top, but if you like to keep it on right, then it's on right. And you can define some animation. It's a fade animation. And you can define the shift away animation. It's a different animation. You can see the difference of your each animation. By this way, you can easily create tooltip in your logo and content, or add different image on hover for your logo. You need to apply same step for each of this logo and you are done. Okay, I hope you got a clear idea on this logo items customization. Now let's navigate to image size. It's full. Then the title tag, you can keep S5 or S6 or anything you want. And here you can see select event option. You can select icon click or default hover. If I select icon click, then here you can see a eye button. Just you need to click on this eye icon to see what content you have inputted inside your logo items. Let's keep this as a default hover. And then from this navigation is very similar like image carousel element. You can define arrows and dots, arrows and fraction, only dots, or maybe only the progress bar, let's keep only arrows or maybe dots. It's professional for logo carousel. We have implemented all of these necessary options that you need. Just you need to select which one fits most to your website, and then the position, bottom right or anywhere you want, maybe on top left or top center, or the default one is bottom center. And then carousel setting, you can select 2 or maybe 3 to 6 items in a single column. Then layout, let's select 3, and from this layout you can select cover flow or carousel. I recommend you to stay with carousel for this logo carousel. If you like to apply something creative in your logo carousel element, then you must select cover flow and customize it as you need. Let's stick with carousel. How many slides to scroll? For example, 2. If I select 2, now if I click on this dot, it will select 2 images. Then we have the loop and animation speed. If you like to enable loop, then make sure it's enabled and then control the animation speed. For example, let me type maybe this one, and now if I click on this, you can see a smooth animation and it's lengthy. That means it's 1.5 seconds. 500 means half second. By this way you can easily control the animation speed of your logo carousel. I hope you got a clear idea on how to work with this logo carousel element. If you still have any question regarding this element, feel free to comment in this video or get in touch with us via our support forum. We will try our best to assist you.